what I want to show is the traceability that they have. They have a QR code with all the numbers and the serial numbers and the traceability numbers.
Our laser right over here, yeah. We put in our terminals for SPKW. Then afterwards, we scan our sheet and the laser automatically puts a QR code and the traceability number right over here with an article number. So it's easy for you and for us to follow these products into the plant. We know exactly how many of these zinc oxide blocks are in our arresters, and we know the exactly number which zinc oxide blocks in our arresters, so we can can push for traceability if there is a failure or a mistake or something like that, and we can go back and talk with our suppliers what's wrong with this product.
To this reference number,
Yes.
and you'll know exactly what you did, where you did it, what machine, when, what shift, what is the traceable parts that contain that.
Exactly.
Quality after all.
For these products, we use Kanban. We have a multiple box system, and if one box is taken out, we just scan a QR code and automatically there's a new order for our production right over here.
This is the work order.
Yes.
And in the work order, you have the Kanban numbers. They know where to get the parts, but also behind this, there's a guarantee that there is a safe stock.
So everything is right here in the company. We just send it out and new Kanban boxes automatically booked by system, and we can produce more of these types.
This is how lean makes an impact to the customer. Is Kanban is really essential to make sure that you have your levels of inventory correct, ready to go.
For the surface, we create these shapes with our 3D printer and R&D. We got the problem to clean everything right around this. It takes a lot of time. And then we create these cups right over here.
Just like the tape on the other process to avoid.
You easily turn it in, and then we mold our products, and we don't have to clean the whole surface. There's just a little bit on the edge. So this is for better lead time. Cleaning was like a bottleneck of this process right over here.
It's simple things like this that make a huge difference. Is they were waiting because they're cleaning this area. Just imagine. So they say, well, what are we cleaning? We should not even be spraying on this area. So they just found the cap. They made a cap special for this. Done. So a lot of the improvements are not rocket science. It's very simple.
Now the rubber is only here, which is a little hot, so be careful. But there's no rubber on the top, so they're not over processing. They're not cleaning the area that has the traceability number.
And this has to be cleaned for electrical values. In the past, we got the whole surface dirty. Yeah, everything was full of the rubber.
And take a look at just the cards. So they do their own cards. They design these cards. Is how are they going to pass these parts in the best way to the next process? So the best way to have them cool is vertical, and they just design it how they want. But they're very creative. They have unleashed the potential of their people by saying, go ahead, run the experiment, do it. So you can see here, I'm not going to take it off because it's full of product, but you can imagine when they have bigger parts, they just have to change the top part and you use the same card. We don't need to make new cards. So even that kind of thinking is very unique. Very unique. Creative.